Today we are going to discuss action chains concept in Selenium and browser automation. So suppose this is a Myntra.com website. You head over to the Myntra.com website and you want to click on login or sign up button, but it's not visible here, right? It's when we hover on profile, then it will come login and sign up here. So how you are going to automate this thing? How you are going to automate to the login button? So in this scenario, we will be using action chains, which are a part of Selenium. So let's code the action chains and understand it. So let's import from Selenium. So let's import WebDriver keys by, okay, I think keys is necessary by, instead of by, let's have our action chains. So this is our action chains. These are not required. Now, instead of this, so you guys are wondering like how can I get these auto suggestions? So I have configured ChatGPT in my Visual Code ID. Because of that, I got some intelligent suggestions. So let's also import sleep. Okay. Now we want to use action chains. We want to open the WebDriver Chrome. So driver equals to Chrome, and we want to head over to Myntra.com, right? So Myntra.com, maximize window, driver.maximize window. Now after that, we want to basically hover on to this profile. So if we inspect this one, let me do inspect over here. Maybe some inspect is not working. Let me reload the website. Okay, so inspect is not working. Then how can we open the inspect if it's not working? How to open? Okay, let me right click is not working. Okay, right click a specific page in the top menu are okay. So control plus shift plus C. Okay, now it is open. Now let's see where is the profile here. So this is profile, right? So there are four occurrences. I think this is the one which we are interested in. Desktop user title, this. So basically, we will copy the class name and the ID. So so after maximize window, let's do sleep of around 2 seconds. Then at line number 12, we are getting a object of action chains by passing driver object here. And driver.find element, we are using xpath. Span text is equals to profile. So if you see this xpath, this is a span, and text is equals to profile like this. Now driver dot find element, this one. Now what we are going to do, actions dot move to element profile dot perform. Okay. After profile is open, let's run the code from till here. So sleep to, let's have sleep of 4 seconds. Now let's run the code. So Myntra.com, it is maximized. Now profile, if you see, it's over on profile. Okay. Now we can click on login button and write login or sign up. So login. Where is that? Where is that? So this is first occurrence. This is second. Okay. Login. So this is the one. If we click on that, okay, so we basically need to click on this one. So does it have any ID? It does not have, it has data react ID. So we can write xpath for this. So it's basically login driver dot find element xpath, and this is basically an anchor tag. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to, this is a for anchor, text is equals to, text is equals to this one. Text is login slash sign up. After that, we are going to click on that like this. Oh, sorry. So let's run this code and check if it's working or not. Python action chains py. Now it is going to maximize the window. Now it's hover on profile, login button. Yeah, you see it is clicked now. So it's working fine. So I hope you understand the concept of action chains in Selenium. So this is basically used to perform hover operations or right click operations or tab operations, or there are a lot many other operations as well. So in this video, we have discussed only action chains, and we will see you in the next video and discuss about some more concepts in Selenium. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.